Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to my channel Math with Shah Salim. Our program is continue. Now we discuss about the exercise 1.6. Here we have to find the solution of linear equations and find the value of x and y. Here we use two variables x and y. We have to find the value of x and y. In this exercise, we learn two methods to solve the linear equations. First method is inverse method or inversion method, and second method is Cramer rules. First of all, we discuss about the inverse method or first method. We have question number 1, 2x minus 2y equal to 4 and 3x plus 2y equal to 6. Here we have two equations, number 1 and number 2. First step is we write these equations into matrix form. In matrix form. Matrix form, we write the coefficient of x and y in a matrix form like this, and variable also in matrix form is x and y, and also 4 and 6 is also a matrix. Here we write A matrix, and this matrix is X and this is B. In inverse method, we find a formula to find the solution of X and Y in X equal to A inverse B. Formula. We use this formula to solve the value of x and y. Here we have a, not a inverse. First of all, we find inverse of a inverse equal to, in last exercise we learn about the inverse of a matrix. This is adjoint of A over A magnitude or a mod. In this question, first of all, we find the value of mod A. If it is non-singular, then we find the value of A inverse. Here A mod is 2 minus 2, 3, 2 magnitude equal to 2 by 2 minus 2 by 3, which is equal to 4 minus plus 6 equal to 10. Now, and adjoint of A equal to 2 minus 3 and 2. Putting this value of adjoint of A and magnitude of A in this formula, here A inverse equal to adjoint of A equal to 2 minus 3 2 over 10. And now we find the value of x equal to, here we have A inverse. A inverse is 2 minus 3 and 2 over 10 into B. We have a matrix B is 4 and 6. Now we multiply these two matrices, which is equal to 2 into 4 plus 2 into 6, and also minus 3 into 4 plus 2 into 6 over 10. X equal to 4 2s are 8 plus 6 2s are 12 minus 3 4s are minus 12 plus 6 2s are also 12 by 10, which is equal to 12 plus 8 20 and 12 minus 12 equal to 0 over 10. Now we put 20 over 10 and also 0 over 10. 10 to the 20, which is equal to 2. Something over 0 equal to 0. Here value of x is equal to x and y. We have to find the value of small x and y, and comparing these two matrices, x equal to 2 and y equal to 0, which is the required answer of the given question. Question number 2. 2x plus y equal to 3, 6x plus 5y equal to 1. We write first of all in matrix form of these two equations, which is coefficient of x and coefficient of y, also coefficient of x and coefficient of y, and variables x and y. Here we naming the matrix like A equal to this matrix, x equal to variables, and b equal to this matrix. We have a formula to find the value of x, A inverse b. First of all, we find the value of A inverse. A inverse equal to adjoint of A over determinant of A or magnitude of A. In these questions, first of all, we find the value of determinant A. If we have a non-singular matrix, then we can further solve. A determinant equal to 2 1 6 5, which is equal to 2 into 5 minus 1 into 6. 2 5s are 10 minus 6 equal to 4, which is not equal to 0, is a non-singular. So we find the value of adjoint of A. Adjoint of A equal to, we interchange the value 5 2 and we change the notations of this matrix, which is a adjoint of A. A inverse equal to adjoint of A over A mod equal to adjoint of A 5 minus 1 minus 6 2 over 4. Now we are putting the value of A inverse in the formula of x. X equal to A inverse B, which is equal to A inverse is 5 minus 1 minus 6 2 over 4, and B multiply. B is 3 1. We multiply these two matrices. So 5 into 3 plus minus 1 into 1 minus 6 into 3 plus 2 into 1 over 4, which is equal to 5 3s are 15 plus minus minus 1 6 3s are minus 18 plus 2 over 4, which is equal to 14, and minus 16 over 4. Here x equal to x y, and this is equal to 14 over 4 and minus 16 over 4, which is equal to 7 by 2 and minus 4. So comparing these two matrices, we find x equal to 7 over 2 and y equal to minus 4, which is the required answer. Part 3 of this question is 4x plus 2y equal to 8 and 3x minus y equal to minus 1. In matrix form, here coefficient of x and y and variable x, y, and this matrix is, we have to find x, A inverse B, where A inverse equal to adjoint of A over A determinant. We find that of A or A mod equal to mod of A equal to 4, 2, 3, minus 1 magnitude, 4 into minus 1, minus 2 by 2, minus 4, minus 2 2s are 2 by 3, minus 6 equal to minus 10, and adjoint of A equal to minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 and 4. Now we find A inverse equal to, here A adjoint is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 and 4 over A magnitude equal to minus 10. We find x equal to A inverse B, which is equal to A inverse minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, 4 over minus 10 into B, 8 minus 1, which is equal to minus 1 into 8 plus minus 2 into minus 1 and minus 3 into 8 plus 4 into minus 1 over minus 10, which is equal to minus 8, minus minus plus 2, minus 24, minus 4 over minus 10, which is equal to minus 6 over 10 and minus 28 over minus 10. Here x equal to x and y, 3 by 5 and 14 by 5. X equal to 3 by 5 and y equal to 14 by 5, which is the required answer of this question. If you have find any problem in these questions, then you can discuss in comments box. Also, this question have 5 more parts. If you have any problem in any parts, then we can discuss with me. I will solve inshallah.